What is job shadowing? Job shadowing is a great way to learn more about a particular career or industry while connecting with professionals in the field. It's especially helpful if you're inexperienced or unsure if you'd like to pursue a specific career. Job shadowing can last anywhere from a few hours to several weeks, but the goal of the experience is to gain a better understanding of the day-to-day activities and skills required of the position. If you already know someone in the industry or have a specific employer in mind, contact them to schedule a time to job shadow. Otherwise, contact the Center for Career and Professional Development for assistance locating and connecting with potential employers. Once you have scheduled a job shadowing experience, research the company and the industry. Learn as much as you can and make a list of questions that you'd like to ask the person you'll be shadowing. You can also learn more about their specific role and experience by finding and connecting with them on LinkedIn ahead of time. When you schedule your job shadow, be specific about your goals for the experience. If the employer doesn't know what you hope to gain from the job shadowing, they can't provide the best experience for you. Setting clear goals will also help you apply the knowledge and insights you gain from job shadowing to your professional development. When it's time for your job shadow, be sure to dress appropriately for the position and industry. Contact the Center for Career and Professional Development to rent professional attire from their career closet for a small fee. You may also need a notebook or padfolio to take notes. Padfolios can be borrowed from the career closet as well. During the job shadow, expect to spend much of your time observing and taking notes. Your experience may or may not involve hands-on components. In addition to learning industry lingo and networking, job shadowing is a great opportunity to prepare for situational interview questions. If you don't have the personal experience necessary to answer a specific interview question, you may be able to discuss a situation you've observed while job shadowing, what you've learned from it, and how you can apply that knowledge in the future. Be sure to get the contact info of anyone you meet while job shadowing that you may want to contact again in the future. Always follow up with a thank you email within 1 day of your job shadow. Ask for permission to contact the person you shadowed in the future with any further questions. To learn more about job shadowing, visit the Center for Career and Professional Development.